Hello, buddy. Today I have a CD unboxing for December 1st, 2022. Today I went to Walmart and I could have picked up more CDs, but I decided to get one today. So this is the 2019 CD of Joan, Jett and the Black Hearts Greatest Hits. I got this for $5. I do like Joan Jett. Here's the songs. The Advertisers played in Shrek. That's actually a good song. I like that one. And I sure have a lot of these in my playlist. So yeah, this is just the greatest hits. This is just a video I'm making before doing my Paramount VHS and DVD collection. Ugh. I don't have my pocket knife with me at the moment. Ugh. Alright, I gotta do something. Alright, I got it. Let's open this up. Got it. Alright, here's what it looks like I started wrapping. So it took a little longer. Here's the CD. Alright, that will wrap it up for my update for December 1st, 2022. See you in my next special video.